की खबर का बातें से टीवी
का umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uhe noilam jagseng Kongres ubapay ikiniga jala Meghalaya u Dr. A. Chela Kumar ul aga Jingkyrkhu Kyrtong iki Kyrtong ni constituency beper ki bagseng Kongres klapin yang haknik election MDC shika khasi hills atan Magistrate Council. Habakaran jiklar patay kubor unu noilam jang kaseng Kongres bloko bahagani kenti kabaminta kaseng Kongres kan Thaw executive committee ha district council bar uloong bagaseng Kongres ha Meghalaya kalaki imbyang bat man gasngi gikin hun na per ki wan man pinyaso yalade siya kaseng Kongres.
Malambor number from Notram. Bawan Jingkyrkhu from Maulai. Victor Rani from Jirang. Helper number 9 from Radikor.
It is very fast growing actually. See, a lot of people wants to join with the Congress party. Already they have joined and many more people are this in queue to join the Congress. We will admit one by one. You will come to know in the course of time. Yeah, we will revive the Congress party. This district council election, we will definitely form the council. No, that's what I have explained to the meeting also to the candidates. See, we have joined along with the NPP in the district council to ensure and strengthen the sixth schedule. See, Congress is not sharing the power in Delhi now today. But NPP in the last 10 years, they are sharing the power in Delhi. But they could not able to include the language in the 8th schedule till today. But when the Congress has joined hands with the district council, we could empower the women and the youths. So this is the difference between the Congress and the other political parties. No, we have not said any feelers to anybody. But if someone wants to join the Congress party, yes, we will welcome it. No doubt about it. See, I want all the congressmen to come back to Congress, to strengthen the Congress, not only for the interest of the Congress party, it is for the interest of the state of Meghalaya and also the country. Everybody knows what is going on in the country today. So, we welcome it, that's all. But we are not giving any invitation to anybody or we are not running after anybody. If anybody wants to join, let them come forward. No, first of all, they have to make their mind. So, let them come out open, then we will see that.